Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What if you didn't need more time? You just needed a smarter way to use the time you already have. What if just your weekends could slowly build income streams that pay you? Even when you're not working, no quitting your job, no extreme risk, just consistent, focused effort, a few hours every weekend. In this video, you'll discover 10 passive income ideas you can realistically build on weekends only. And the best part, most people never follow through, which means if you do, you're already ahead. Let's begin. Idea 1. Digital products. Create something once and sell it repeatedly. Templates, ebooks, guides. Spend your weekends building and refining, then let it sell again and again. Idea 2. Print on demand. Design simple graphics for shirts, mugs, or posters, upload them, and when someone buys, a company prints and ships it for you. You focus only on creation. Idea 3. Affiliate content. Write or create videos around products. Recommend tools, services, or items you trust and earn commissions when people buy through your links. Idea 4. Niche websites. Build a small website focused on one topic: travel, fitness, finance. Add helpful content every weekend, and over time, traffic grows and income follows. Idea 5. Stock photos or videos. Take photos or short clips, upload them to stock platforms, and earn money each time they're downloaded. Idea 6. Online courses. Teach something you know. It doesn't have to be perfect, just helpful. Record lessons on weekends, and once it's live, it keeps selling. Idea 7. App or tool creation. Build a simple tool or app. Something useful, something specific. Work on it gradually, each weekend, and once it's launched, it can generate income with minimal upkeep. Idea 8. Renting assets, a spare room, equipment, even parking space. Turn what you already have into income. Minimal effort, maximum use. Idea 9. Dividend investing. Put your money to work. Invest in assets that pay you regularly. It grows slowly, but steadily, and over time, it becomes powerful. Idea 10. Automated online stores. Set up a store with dropshipping or digital products. Automate orders, payments, and delivery. Then spend weekends optimizing and improving. Reality check. Here's the truth. None of these are instant. None of them are effortless, but they are possible. If you stay consistent, if you show up every weekend, small actions turn into systems, and systems turn into income. Ask yourself, what could you build in just a few hours this weekend? What could exist 1 month from now? 3 months? Because the time will pass anyway. The only question is, what will you have built when it does? So take a breath. Picture your weekends differently now. Not just rest, but creation. Not just time passing, but value building. And as you listen again, you may start to see which idea is yours to begin. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.